Hey, ecology class. This is your second week of video. This is, I just got off the recording with you guys just a minute ago. So we're going to do a little bit more. We're in the kitchen, you know, messes and knives and dishes, I'm sure. But we're going to make this happen. We'll make it do. So your next unit is you guys are going to do a little bit of a deer predation or starvation project. So on the website, this is backwards to you guys, but you just got a little bit of a saying, and it talks about predation. We talk about, you know, what's going to happen if you get too many predators, what's going to happen if you don't have a population to feed the predators, just like that experiment that we did in the class that one day where you guys were either food, water, or shelter, and then you guys were either a deer, and then maybe we brought a bobcat into the scenario. So obviously like this, the bobcat is going to be the predator. So in here, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to calculate the number of deaths, which death is obviously going to be predation or starvation. So what are ways that maybe made it die? Determine the deer population change. So maybe what were the births and minus what were the deaths. Say hi, Ella. And then you're going to calculate the change of population. And you're just going to fill out the chart. So it's going to be just whether you're adding or subtracting, and you're just going to work your way down the entire situation. I have an answer down here. Backside, you're just going to chart it. And then you've got 5 questions on it. Okay, so pretty simple, but if you really think back to that project that we did in class and we talk about, you know, if an animal does not have food, water, or shelter, it's obviously going to be at risk for dying. The more animals are that are healthy and happy, there's going to be more predators come in because there's going to be more resources for them to eat. So you're going to just take a kind of a method on it, and you're just going to work on this little project. Don't forget, please make sure you guys, sorry, my sneeze, make sure you guys are sending me your work you did for last week, and then you submit me for this week. So take a quick picture of it and just send it to my email. Pretty simple, just so I can give you guys credit for that. Please make sure you go back and look at your grades. If you did not submit to me your lab report, that was due before we got out of school, please make sure you do that to me. Whether it's reshare it or just recent email to me, but I have double checked everything, all the ones I printed out, and the ones I have 0s and 4 are the ones that I have not received. So please make sure you get that in. That's going to make your grade go up substantially. And don't forget, any work you guys do right now is going to improve your 3rd quarter and your 4th quarter grades in the end, because when they get averaged together, you're going to have a higher average for your semester, and we want you guys all to pass, especially for those who maybe struggle with your 3rd quarter. You know, this is a clean slate for you guys to start out, get 100% on everything, and then you guys, you know, can potentially, you know, maybe pass your 3rd quarter and 4th quarter average together for your 2nd semester, and that's what we want you guys to do. This is not ideal times. We want you guys to be able to pass, and you guys move on and be sophomores next year and look back at this and think about how crazy this was, but you know, we may do, and you know, it may be a benefit for your situation. So please take a look at that stuff. Don't forget, you can email me if you need to. You can remind me if you need to. You can have a personal Zoom if we need to. You know, if we need to clarify, or a couple of your friends if you want to clarify anything for in your kids. But holler at me. Take care. Okay, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.